Welcome to the Marketing Brew Daily News Brief, the audio edition of your go-to newsletter for the latest in brand strategy, social media, and ad tech. Let's dive into today's top stories.
Today is Tuesday, October 1st. Here is what we are covering. Francis Scialabba here with your latest marketing insights. Today we dive into Sesame Street's social media strategy, explore the complexities of AI in marketing, and highlight notable upcoming content from Apple TV+. First up, let's talk about those friendly faces from Sesame Street. Christina Vitas, the social media manager at Sesame Workshop, leads efforts on Elmo's accounts while managing multiple other Muppet and Sesame Street platforms. In a world often filled with negativity, Sesame's social media aims to offer uplifting content, especially for adults. Erin Bisman, VP of Audience Development, shared that the team posts over 4,000 times a year, reaching more than 1 billion people organically. This resonates particularly with adult audiences, nostalgic for wholesome, relatable content, as seen in a wellness check post featuring Elmo, which garnered 220 million views. Now, let's switch gears and focus on the buzzing topic of artificial intelligence in marketing. A white paper from Quad sheds light on the duality within marketing, some saturating their strategies with AI, while others hang back in reluctance. The document emphasizes ethical deployment of AI in creative content, including CGI and Gen AI applications. It explores harmonizing AI use with brand values, tackling copyright issues, and enhancing internal training protocols. Moving to the streaming world, Apple TV Plus aims to shine with its new psychological thriller, Disclaimer, starring Cate Blanchett. With its premiere planned at the Venice Film Festival, Apple is strategically placing its programming in prestigious settings despite lower marketing spend than competitors like Netflix and Paramount+. This approach aims to solidify its brand as a provider of prestige content. Shifting to trends in advertising, shoppers on Snapchat show greater susceptibility to creator influence compared to their Instagram and TikTok counterparts, according to new eMarketer data. This insight suggests marketers might want to recalibrate their influencer strategies accordingly. In our co-working segment, we spotlight Jasmine Presson, Chief Strategy Officer at Mediaplus North America. She reflects on impactful projects, including the Revlon's Love Test campaign, which blended emotional storytelling with solid marketing results. Presson admires Snickers' iconic "You're not you when you're hungry" ads for their clever narratives that drive product understanding through humor. Finally, in the world of collaborations, Levi's partners with Beyoncé leveraging iconic ads from its past, while Asics features Brian Cox from Succession in its new campaign. Meanwhile, Mondelez seeks assistance from Accenture and Publicis to advance its AI platform. There you have it, a bustling week in marketing filled with nostalgic faces, new technology, and innovative campaigns. Keep feeding your curiosity, and until next time, stay engaged with the evolving world of marketing.
Thanks for listening to the Marketing Brew Daily News Brief. Don't forget to subscribe and check back regularly for more essential marketing insights. Until next time, keep innovating and brewing up great ideas.